They just issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Wayne County, so it should be coming over now. Soon.
Nashville, Wilson, Elm City, Georges, Bailey, Red Oak, Sharpsburg, Macomb, and Stantonsburg. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Straight line winds can blow down trees, power lines, and damage mobile homes and other buildings. Seek shelter in a sturdy structure until the storm has passed. Stay away from windows as flying debris generated by damaging winds can be deadly. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 8:45 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina, Nash and Wilson. This is NOAA Weather Radio, all hazards, station WMG 706, operating on frequency 162.45 megahertz. This program originates from the National Weather Service.
Should be coming on now.
Transmitted from an antenna located on the
They just issued it. Maybe they're generating text.
The station serves the eastern Piedmont and central coastal plain of North Carolina. The current time is 8:12 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
There it goes.
The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Wayne County, southeastern Johnston County, until 8:45 p.m. At 8:10 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles southwest of Smithfield to 12 miles northwest of Mount Olive to near Warsaw, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Goldsboro, Smithfield, Mount Olive, Fremont, Walnut Creek, Selma, Four Oaks, Pine Level, Princeton, and Pikeville. Straight line winds can blow down trees, power lines, and damage mobile homes and other businesses. The severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Hardin, southwestern Johnston.
They just brutally interrupted it.
Counties will expire at 8:15 p.m. The storms which prompted the warning have moved out of the area. Therefore, the warning will be allowed to expire. Severe thunderstorm warnings remain in effect for Wayne and southeast Johnston counties until 8:45 p.m. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in
Alright,
effect
well,
until
thanks for
11
watching.
p.m. for Central
Where
North
they just brutally interrupted it. I hope that wasn't really important.
Carolina.